Okay, I'm putting the last board in place here that's next to the verge trim, and so I'm going to try and use some of this expanding foam to seal along the top of it, between the top and the verge trim. Now, I've never done this before, but I've seen this expanding foam expands to a bit over 2 centimetres, so I'm just going to put a line of it along the top here, leave a bit of an overhang so that you can link to the next one, and then try and put it in place. Okay, that was quite easy. It's sticky on this side once you've taken the backing off it, and so it just sticks all along there. So I've got it in place now. I'll just lift it in, and that should then expand to a couple of centimetres and seal. Okay, that was pretty easy. I've sealed it in there, you can see, little overhang for when the next board goes on, and then at the side it curls round and it's just expanding in there, and it should seal that as well. I'll check that later, and if it hasn't fully sealed, I'll put a little bit more on. Okay, I'm putting the tape in place now, and one thing I've learned is it's much easier, rather than sticking the tape on top of the board, to stick the tape onto the underside of what the board's going to be touching. So I'll just stick it all along the underside of here, and then put the boards in place. It's a much easier way of doing it. Okay, so there's the tape in all along the underside of this, and then I'm just going to put the boards in. This has all been pretty easy. I've put these ones all in place. I'm actually around the side there, here, around the corner, and I've just got these ones to put in place now, and then we'll be done. So just a final note about the foam tape. I think I've worked out the best way to use it here. So it curls around at the top here, and then goes down underneath, goes all the way along under that, and curls around at the top again there. So that makes a perfect seal. So there'll be no air that'll get in around here, because this actually touches up against the window frame. Then it goes out, and it comes out a little bit away, makes a perfect seal under there, and so there'll be no air at all that gets around that windowsill. And I stuck it to the bottom here first, rather than stick it to the top of the boards, and that's by far the easiest way to do it. So it just creates one continuous loop around there.